say.
Oh, finally.
How can I help you?
Well, I need some new shoes. Mine are pretty beat up.
I have the perfect shoes for you. Check this out.
Oh my goodness. These look wonderful. How much are they?
£3, my friend, but I have a special offer for you.
Oh.
If you buy these shoes, you get this remote for free as well. Would you like to have a look at it?
Yeah, I'll check it out. Thank you very much. I'll take the offer. Oh, £3 it was? 2. Where is it? Finally. £3. So, £3. Here you are, mate. Pleasure doing business with you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks again.
No problem.
Goodbye.
Handle with care.
What?
Handle with care.
Okay.
What is this? Well, I guess I put it away.
Hi, Dad.
Hey, Sonny. How you been?
I've been out skateboarding. How are you?
I'm just watching some Utah. I miss it so much. I miss Utah so jolly much. Me and Bessie used to go here all summer.
What are these bottles? Have you been drinking?
Yeah, I'm pretty down bad.
Oh, man. Well, look, I bought these shoes and I got a remote control as well.
And where that at?
It's in my pocket. Maybe it isn't.
You lost it?
I think so, yeah. Must have fell out while I was skating.
I done raised a big loser.
Shut up, Dad.
Hey, don't tell me to shut up, okay?
Okay, I'm going to my room.
Your cousin's coming over in an hour, okay?
Okay. You stupid n***! I'm gonna kill you. You stupid. Come in.
Ah, Sonny, your cousin's here.
Oh, finally. Hi. Hi, Anna. It's great to see you again.
Yes, you too.
Haven't seen you in ages.
Yes, how are you?
I'm fine. Wait. What's that remote in your hands? Can I see it?
No, it's mine.
I want to see it.
No.
Give it to me. Ah. This is mine.
Give that back.
No! What's up?
What's up, man? How you
How you
been?
doing?
I'm great. How about
Me
you?
too.
It's great.
Hi there. It's great to finally see you again.
Great to see you too.
Well, you won't believe what happened. It's been a crazy day.
Really?
Yes.
What happened?
I went out skateboarding and I came across a garage sale.
Really?
I saw some shoes on there which I really wanted to buy,
Mm-hmm.
and I bought them. However, the seller sold me some strange remote as well.
Remote?
Here it is.
Is it a
And,
TV remote?
I'm not sure. It looks like one. However,
Yeah.
it has some weird powers. So, what do you say? We try this thing out?
I don't see why not. How does it work?
Just press one of the buttons, I guess. Can I try it on you?
So?
Okay. Let's try this one.
Mm-hmm.
Do you feel it working?
No.
Now?
No.
Oh. Interesting. I don't know. Oh! Where's the batteries?
Maybe you dropped it and the batteries fell out.
But...
I mean, I have
explain?
some. I can go grab some.
Yes, that'd be nice. Thank you.
Alright, I'll be back in a few.
You got them?
Yeah, here you go.
Thanks, bro. Okay, let's put them in and then let's give it a second try.
Yeah.
Which one should I press?
I don't know. You know how to do.
I'll press the record button, okay?
Alright.
3, 2, BAM!
Who are you? Get out of my house!
I'm your friend, bro.
Get out of the house!
I'm your friend. Dude, what are you doing?
I don't believe you, fucking moron! Get out of the house! Get out of my
Wait,
house!
you like this?
Get out of my house!
Wait,
Get out of my
this?
fucking house!
Get down. Get down. Get down.
Daniel, are you here? Oh my god, what happened? Oh no, is he dead? I have to call the cops. Hello, my name is Anna.
Hey, 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 hey.
Hell, did you run out of batteries? No way.
You stupid! I'm gonna kill you. You stupid. Shut up, Dad.
Hey, don't tell me to shut up, okay?
Okay. This is mine.
Give that back.
No!
Hey, Sonny. How you doing?
Hi, Dad.
Hey, Sonny. Where you been?
Well, I was just out skateboarding. Nem baj. Fortnite move!
Egyik nap fel majd.
Jó van, csak még a pizzára várunk.
Szarul tartom. Levideózlak a majom.
ez nem jut össze. Fejezd már! Rossz kölyök. Virgácsot kapsz. Karácsony alkalmából.
Wow!